Welcome back to an invitation to play. Today we are inside my bathroom because we are going to wash our hands together. There are 5 steps to washing our hands and we're going to learn those together today. So whether you're at home, at school, or at a restaurant, you will know how to properly wash your hands. First, we are going to turn on the water, making sure it's on warm. Then we will get our hands wet. Next, we will put 1 pump of soap into our hands and scrub to make as many bubbles as we can. We will wash in between our fingers. We will wash the tops of our hands and the bottoms of our hands, making sure there are bubbles everywhere. Next, we will rinse all of those bubbles down the drain. We will finish by drying our hands with a towel. If you're at school, you might use a paper towel that you will throw away when you are all done. Don't forget to turn off the water. Thank you so much for learning how to wash your hands with me today. I know the next time you go to wash your hands, you will be a hand washing master.